had a great experience purchasing a BMW from BMW of Bakersfield because everyone here at the BMW store has been super helpful. When I come in, it's like a community. Everyone's really nice. I feel that I can trust them. What I love most about my BMW is, first of all, it's beautiful. Second of all, it drives really smoothly. There's a lot of room. It's super comfortable. The safety features are really nice. The navigation is what I really need, so it's really helpful because you just speak into it and it automatically will pick it up. I would definitely recommend BMW of Bakersfield to my friends or family. It's just been a great experience for me here. I love my car, and the service is great, and the people are great, so definitely come.